let's solve this together. It says xy plus y is equal to 45 and y minus x is equal to 5. We're required to solve for x and y in this question, okay? Now, the first thing we can do here is to say that let's call this equation 1 and call this equation 2 so that we can say from equation 2, so we say from equation 2 that x, okay, is equal to y minus 5, okay? So, this is deduced on this. Now, we can now substitute x as y minus 5 in equation 1. Okay, so we have y minus 5 into y plus y equals 45. Okay, now y times y is y squared minus 5 times y is 5y plus y equals 45. Okay, from here we have y squared minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4y. Can bring this over to become minus 45 equals 0. Okay, now we can solve this using the factorization method. If you look at this closely, you see that the multiples of 45 or minus 45 is 9 and 5. Okay, now for it to be minus, we check which of these, which arrangement are we going to add to give us negative 4. Okay, so that is minus 9 plus 5 is negative 4. So we can say that y minus 9 will multiply y plus 5 to give us this equation that we had initially. Okay, alright, moving on from here, we can now conclude that y is equal to 9 or negative 5. But recall that x is equal to y minus 5. Hence our x here will be equal to, when y is equal to 9, this is 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4, or x is equal to, when y is negative 5, we have negative 5 minus 5, which is equal to negative 10. So x is equal to 4 or minus 10, and y is equal to 9 or minus 5, and this becomes the answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.